This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Vicki Perkins. Welcome to 192 C DEES Road in the ROSEPINE School District. This immaculate home with a split floor plan offers 4 bedrooms and 2 baths on 1.25 acres with a paved driveway, fenced backyard and a generator. Entertain guests in the dining area enhanced by columns and offering access to the covered porch and patio through French doors. The open floor plan boasts room to relax and visit with family while cooking in the roomy kitchen featuring all appliances and 2 pantries. Each of the 4 bedrooms offer walk-in closets. The large laundry room boasts a washer and dryer that remain with the home. This ROSEPINE School District home is minutes from the amenities of town, perfectly situated on a country road. The keys are waiting for you to schedule your tour of 192 C DEES Road today. For more information